Welcome to our meditation series on letting go. The meditation for day 4 is the freedom in letting go. Find a calm, quiet space where you feel safe and you can relax, either sitting or lying down. When you are ready, close your eyes and take some deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply, and exhale. Allow the rhythm of your breathing to center you. Feel the support of the chair or the ground beneath you. It connects you to this present moment. Imagine yourself on a mountain top, holding on to a bunch of balloons. Each balloon represents something you have been holding on to. It may be a past hurt, a worry, or an old belief. You feel the pull of these balloons in the strong wind, and you recognize the energy it takes to hold on to them. One by one, you start releasing the balloons. As you let each one go, you feel a heaviness and great weight lift off from you. You watch as the balloons drift into the vast sky, getting smaller and smaller until they disappear from sight. With the release of each balloon, you begin to feel a sense of spaciousness and freedom growing within. You bask in the feeling of lightness. You recognize the liberation that comes from letting go. When the balloons are all let go and your burdens all released, you notice the vast open space around you. The sky, the horizon, the gentle breeze, everything speaks of the boundless freedom that surrounds you. Let this sensation of freedom and liberation fill you. Remember that you are not confined by the past, nor any limiting beliefs that you currently have. Softly whisper to yourself, in letting go, I find freedom. I am light, unburdened, and free. In letting go, I find freedom. I am light, unburdened, and free. Allow this affirmation to echo within you, resonating with your newfound sense of lightness and of freedom. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breathing. You feel the breath as a symbol of the ever-present cycle of holding on and letting go as you breathe in and breathe out. Slowly open your eyes, coming back to the present moment, carrying within you the wondrous feeling of freedom and liberation. Whenever you feel burdened, remember this meditation and the vast sky, reminding you of the freedom that awaits when you choose to let go. Thank you for joining us on this journey of letting go. We hope this meditation has brought you peace, tranquility, and a sense of release. Remember, letting go is not a sign of weakness, but rather a powerful act of self-love and acceptance. May you find peace in letting go, and may your journey be filled with love and light.